Deep within the University of Iowa campus, in the basement of the Medical Research Building, lies the Iowa Institute of Human Genetics. Researchers don lab coats, operate high-tech machines. Their goal? Studying and sequencing human DNA.
We provide support for genetics research. Testing in the research relates to DNA sequencing, doing expression profile, doing gene expression profiling.
The researchers say that although genetics may be a hard concept for many to grasp, the field has lots to offer to the world.
About what you inherit is important on what types of disease that you may contract, and a lot of that is inherited.
It's the awareness of, you can use this information not only for your health care, right, but people are using it for finding murderers and finding ancestry, and so it's got a lot of utility.
The more information your practitioner has about you and what your makeup is going to help them make more informed decisions on better treating you.
Dr. Knutson says advancements in technology allow the Institute to accomplish more than ever before.
Other tools that are really cutting-edge technologies that allow the research community here at the University of Iowa to have access to the latest tools. So the cost to produce that first human genome was nearly $1 per base. And now with the current technologies, we can sequence at a rate of 1.5 cents per million bases. So this has really allowed us a cost-effective route to be able to sequence individuals. At $2.7 billion, not too many people would get sequenced.
Although the Genomics Division studies DNA for medical purposes, Dr. Kwiatek says one of their main goals is to change the way people think about genetics.
I think part of it is that for whatever reason, when people say genetics, what comes to mind? Some mutated, really big ant, taking over cities, So there's this concept of genetics as being this intangible thing. It has to be used wisely, and some of the awareness needs to be not only what the tools are and what you can use them for, but some of the dangers, and to be aware that misuse can have negative effects on people's lives. Everybody needs to know about it because you are bombarded on it on TV. You see the 23andMe, right? This has become a common thing in our world. And if you don't know what you're looking at, you get your 23andMe results. Now, what do you do with that information? How do you know what risk that is for whatever disease that you might be carrying that you could pass down?